I'm finna show y'all how to do extended soft locks 48 inches at home. Okay, it's a given, baby, period.
Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, boy. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face, wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so hot, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
Welcome back, babes. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know by now, sis, you is late. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Today we are doing extended soft locks, so let's get right into it. First off, I'm going to show y'all my shampoo and conditioner combo. Screenshot it if needed because it's amazing, okay? It makes my hair easy to manage and detangle and just makes my shampoo and condition process just super duper easy, okay? So, yeah, definitely recommend these products together. Now, this right here, sis, this hairdresser and the castor oil is definitely needed for any protective style because you want to make sure that your hair is well taken care of because you want your soft locks to last for a while, right? So, definitely use this as a deep conditioner. Let it sit for 15 minutes. And this is a spray I use to blow dry my hair. It does make my hair easy to detangle, but I don't know if I would recommend it. It don't smell that good and it's kind of expensive, so yeah. And this is the blow dryer I use. I got it from Amazon, so yeah. So that really wraps up the products I used before starting my locks. I just wanted to show y'all in case y'all had any questions. Make sure you check the description box because all the products will be listed down there as well. My hair is just so soft and so easy to manage. It don't make no sense. Oh my God, I love that deep conditioner. But anyways, it's time to get into the tools. First off, you're going to need a red tail comb for parting. Duh, okay. You're also going to need a paddle brush, some type of detangler to detangle your hair as you go along. You're also going to need a clip or some type of, like band to hold your hair up. And this is the jam that I use. It's the only shining jam I use, okay? Period. I don't use nothing else. And here is the hair, okay? Get your phone ready and screenshots, okay? Because I'm not telling y'all in the comments over and over again. So I got 6 packs of new locks by Bobby Boss, and I got 4 packs of Passion Twist by lulutress. Both colors are 1B. This is the hair that I choose to use. If you can't find this hair, I have already found the links for you in the description box. Boom, you're welcome. The locks are 24 inches, but I will be extending them, making them 48 inches in the end. Girl, this hair was so long on me. Oh my God. But anyways, and I got 18 inches for the lulutress Passion Twist. If your hair is similar to the length of mine, you may want to go up because I'll tell y'all about that process in the end, okay? And this is what you have to do if you aren't comfortable with parting. Just use 2 different mirrors to make sure that you see the back of your head.
Feeling locked up out of place. 7 more days without your face. Feeling lost inside this haze. Can we clear the air without the perfect phrase? I just wanna tell you all that I need. Please don't call me up, believe me, open to believe. I'm falling deeper than the ocean so deep. You're everything you need and I breathe.
I want to leave my hair like this. You lying.
I was thinking it in my head while you were doing it.
So I should have mentioned this too earlier, but you're definitely going to need a crochet needle. I was about to say noodle. Oh my fucking God. And I'm about to show you guys how to extend your locks. It's a pretty easy task, but it is repetitive and it's annoying and it's tedious, so I definitely recommend doing this the night before. And I'm also going to put y'all on to like how to get the best results, because sometimes this hair be coming a little janky in the package. Okay, so this is the regular 24-inch. As you can see, it's not giving what the girls need like these are. Okay, period. So what I'm gonna do is boom, I'm gonna put two together. Duh, easy, simple, right? But it takes a little bit of, finessing, okay? So you need to look at the hair, okay? As you can tell, the one on the left, she's janky, all right? The one on the right is more like coiled together and neatly done. I literally just pulled both of them out the box. Like, it's not your fault if the hair is messed up. So it's okay. We're going to use the one that's ugly, and we're going to attach that to the bottom of the other one so you don't even see that at the root of your hair. You don't want this at the root of your hair where everyone can see it. We're going to put it in the middle of the hair where no one can tell. So we're going to take this ugly one and we're going to take the cute one, right? The cute one that's going to be at the top of your hair that everyone's going to be able to see. We're going to split the ends of that cute lock, okay? So all you're going to do is just untwist the bottom like I'm doing right now and separate it into two sections. Boom. Boom, baby, okay? So once you get that, you're going to hold on to that section, and now we're going to take the ugly one, right? You're going to be placing your finger through the hole. Sometimes it's a little irritating, but once you get your finger through the hole, you're basically going to spread it so we are able to put the ends of the other ones inside, okay? You see what I'm doing right here? I'm just placing the ends into the hole that comes with the lock. Boom, just like that, okay? Here it is again if you needed to see it again. Now that we have it through, all you want to do is tie it in a knot to make sure that it is secure and your locks don't fall apart, okay? And to make sure of this, we're going to do it 2 times. Now, once you have that situated, I looked at a lot of soft lock videos before I did mine, and so many people like spread the hair out, one going up and one going down like that. But I like to take both of the ends and just put them through on the same side, because to me it makes them coil easier. So you're just going to spread the hair a little bit and twist it inside, and then you're going to roll it in between your hands, okay? Now, I'll be rolling a long time before the lock like actually coils together how I would like it to see. Like, I want it to be seamless. You see how it's still a little fat right there? I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. You really have to roll for a minute. Like, you're gonna be sitting there rolling for a while, but I promise you at the end it's gonna look seamless if you really take your time with it, which is why I recommend you doing all of this the night before. It goes into the prep. This is not an easy like tutorial, okay? And you may ask how long this took me to do. I did this in 2 days because I really wanted to take my time with it. So I really can't give you an answer of how long it should take you to do it, because I like my hair to look perfect and I'm going to take my time, especially if I went out and bought hair and spent money on it, okay? So yeah. Now what you see me doing right here is attaching the extended lock to my hair by pulling my braid through the loop that the lock gives me, okay? I'm going to show you this one more time. Crochet, get your braid, pull it through the loop, and pull tightly, but not too tightly, okay? Don't hurt yourself. Easy. Now we're going to take this passion twist hair. This is the hair that I'm going to wrap around my braid and the lock at the top. Okay, I chose this hair because it's not super duper nappy. And also if you untwist the twist that it gives you, you'll be able to pull two pieces out instead of having one twist. And that's the reason why I was able to only buy 4 packs of hair, because I split each twist individually to, you know, give me more bang for my buck. Once that is done, now it's time to attach the passion twist hair to the same portion where your real hair and the soft lock is. Once you do that, you want to make sure that you only pull a little bit of hair out, so you have most of the hair in your other hand to wrap around. It's also very important to spread the hair out as you wrap it around the lock. If you do not do that, your lock will unravel. I had no issues with my hair unraveling because I spread and kind of stretched the passion twist hair out a little bit every single time I wrapped it around my lock, okay? I did have problems with running out of hair, which is why I suggest that if your hair is the same length or longer than mine, go up on the inches. Maybe get 24 to 26 so you don't have that problem. I'm also tell you how to finesse. If you do have that problem, just grab your natural hair and wrap it along with the passion twist hair. It's not going to come out, and it's going to save you a lot of time, and you won't be as frustrated as I was. Also, when it comes to the end of your lock, you want to start wrapping upwards. This is going to secure your lock, making sure that it does not unravel. And if you want a ton of security like me, because you have, you know, you're anxious when it comes to your hair, you want to make sure your hair look good, get a lighter. Only do this if you aren't grabbing your natural hair with it, though. I only had to do that on some of the pieces in like the center of my hair where my hair is the longest. Don't burn your real hair, girl, okay? But what you will want to do is take a lighter and just burn the hair a little bit, because it's going to make the hair stick so much more easier, okay? I hope that all made sense. If not, please just continue to watch the video, and yeah, comment down below if you have any questions, and I will be glad to answer. Y'all a tip. If you want your edges to be laid and slayed, but you don't want them to be crusty and the crust to go into your locks, use Shine Jam and then spray it with some freeze spray. They won't go nowhere and they'll be popping. Also, make sure that you oil your scalp every other night, okay? Because these locks are really long. They are nice and airy and soft. They aren't heavy because of the locks. They're heavy because of the length, okay? So make sure that you're oiling your scalp and, you know, protect your hair every night. So this is the final result. I hope y'all enjoy. I did not close the video out, so here are some clips of when I was out. Girl, I was cute, okay? So yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, boy. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face wanna know what I got. love what you see. You wanna deal on my shit so hot, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.